Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious oat cookies at home in your air fryer. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of rolled oats, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, and 1/4 cup of packed brown sugar. Don't forget 1/4 cup of melted butter, 1 large egg, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. A little baking soda and salt will help them rise perfectly. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, combine your melted butter, brown sugar, egg, and vanilla extract. Whisk these wet ingredients together until they are smooth and creamy. In a separate bowl, thoroughly mix your rolled oats, flour, baking soda, and salt. Then, gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture, stirring gently until everything is just combined. Be careful not to overmix the dough. It's time to prepare your cookies for the air fryer. First, line your air fryer basket with parchment paper or a silicone mat. Scoop the dough into 1-inch balls, then gently flatten them into cookie shapes. Arrange them in a single layer, ensuring about 1 inch of space between each cookie for even cooking. Air fry them at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 6 to 8 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown. Once your cookies are done, carefully remove them from the air fryer basket. They will be soft, so transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. This cooling process, which takes about 15 minutes, is crucial. It allows the cookies to firm up and develop that perfect chewy texture we all love. Now, your delicious homemade air fryer oat cookies are ready to enjoy with your favorite beverage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.